Hello and welcome to my channel Learn with Upasana.
Today in this video, I will cover the topic Microsoft Word Basic to Advanced, and this is the part 3. For watching other part of Microsoft Word, you can go to the end screen or you can click in the description. And today we will learn about selecting the text, cutting and pasting the text, copying and pasting the text, text alignment and highlighting the text. And I will explain you all this topic in my laptop screen. Now first is selecting the text in a document. Before doing any change in a text other than typing, you will have to select it. There are two methods to selecting the text, by using the mouse and by using the keyboard. Now in my laptop screen, I will explain you how to select the text. This is my laptop screen. Here I have written some sample text to show you how to select the text in a document. To select this text from here to here, then simply with the left mouse button pressed and drag the mouse over the text where you want to select, and then release the mouse button. So this way you can select the text. And other option to select the text is by using the keyboard. Now just press the shift key and go to the right arrow. Like this you can select the text one by one. Now next is cutting and pasting the text. In MS Word you can cut the text from one location and paste it into the another location. In simply words you can say that if you want to move a piece of text from one place to another, then you apply cutting and paste. For cutting, there is a shortcut keys Ctrl plus X, and for paste there is a shortcut key Ctrl plus V. Let us move to a laptop screen. First, select the text that you want to move from one place to another place. Suppose I want to cut the text "Welcome to my desktop" screen from here. Then first you have to select the text. Then right click and go to the cut. And this way you can cut the text, and I want to paste the text here. Then place the cursor there and go to the right click and paste. So this way you can cut and paste your text from one place to another. Next is copying and pasting the text. There is a difference between copying and cutting is only that when you apply the cutting, the text does not appear from its location. But when you copy the text, then we can have its copy in other location in the documents. There is also shortcut for copy Ctrl plus C and for paste Ctrl plus V. Let's move to laptop screen. Now copy and paste the text. Copying is same as cutting, but here the text does not disappear from its location. Suppose I want to copy this paragraph, then first I have to select the paragraph or select the text, then right click and copy the text. You can use the shortcut key Ctrl C. This is the shortcut key for copying, Ctrl C. Then place the cursor where you want to paste the text and right click and paste. Again there is a shortcut key for pasting the text is Ctrl V. Next is text alignment. In MS Word, 4 types of alignment are there. First is left alignment. When you want to place the text toward the left side of your page margin, that is left alignment, and the shortcut key is Ctrl plus L. Next is right alignment. When you want to place your text toward the right side of your page margin, that is the right alignment, and the shortcut key is Ctrl plus R. Next is center alignment. When you want to place your text in the center of your page margin, that is center alignment, and the shortcut key is Ctrl plus E, and last is the justify alignment, Ctrl plus J. In this alignment there is a proper place set between the left and the right side of the page. I want to place the text in the center, then I have to select center alignment. This is the center alignment. After selecting the text, when you click the alignment option, then your text place in the center. Same way, if you want to place your text in left alignment, then click on the left align option. Same way you can do with other also. First select the paragraph. When you select the center alignment, your paragraph goes into the center of your page margin, and same as for the right alignment. Next is highlighting the text. You can highlight simply a word or a line or a paragraph. So let's move to the laptop screen. I want to highlight the word Microsoft Word, then select it, and this is the highlight option. And when you click on the highlight option, the selected text will be highlighted. So you can change the color of the highlight from here. Suppose I want to change the color, and I have selected yellow color from here, and I want to highlight this line, then simply select the line, and this way you can highlight the line. Or you can highlight the full paragraph also, or you can change the color and select the color and select the paragraph, and this way you can highlight. In the next video, I will explain you about changing the text case, numbering the text, character effect, saving a document, opening a new document. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share and press the bell icon.